Alright, so in this video I'll show you how to remove a steering wheel airbag on a 23 and up Promaster. Technically this dash starts in 22 and up. This is a 1500 model, not the city model, but the 15, 2500, 3500. So you're going to be using these little holes right here, both sides, driver's side and passenger side as well. And we're going to be using a small Allen wrench style screwdriver. We're looking for a flat top. The regular flat screwdriver, it slides off too much off the spring, so this is the best one we found, was a rounded one, as round as possible, as long as it gets through the hole. And the best way we found out to remove these things is two people at once pulling it, basically. So what we do is we're going to use the two screwdrivers on both sides to press it in, and at the same time we're going to press on the airbag down, press the screwdrivers and release, kind of start pulling the airbag and release the screwdrivers, and it should basically pop this out. I tried to remove it for over an hour, one side at a time, and it was impossible. We just did one with two people at the same time, and that's the only way so far. Good. See what's going on? So there's 3 points. The right side releases 2 points, left side releases 1 point. So it's always one or the other on the passenger side. That's all 3. Yep.
Мне не сел.
Okay, раз, два, три. Okay, this is on. So. Готов?
Ничего. Ага. Щупал.
Готов?
Да.
Закрываем. Я готов. See, we got the top, but now, there you go. Alright, let me try to record this. Okay, just pop that plug out. And make sure your battery is disconnected before you start messing with the airbag. So, as you can see how much we tried pulling this thing out, this is like a nightmare airbag. So I'll show you what it does. So this is going to be the passenger side. So watch what it does. So when you're pressing it, it releases 2 locks. See? So if you release one person, one side, and then you're trying to attempt the driver's side, it doesn't really work for some reason. I've spent over an hour doing this, and we just decided to do it 2 people at once. So the driver's side, it's only one, as you can see. So this is it right here. You got to be patient with it. And the best way I found was to push in the airbag, push it in, then same time both sides press it in through the holes, and then you have to find the spring loaded area, this piece right here. So once you feel that, press it in as much as you can, and then you both release the airbag kind of same time. So far that's the only way I got it to work. So if this video helped you, definitely hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment how long it took you to get this out, because you know there's gonna be some smart people saying they took it out in less than a minute. Yeah, there's some cars you could do that. All the cars you could mainly do it, not this car. Good luck.